Hi guys, it's summertime and it's freaking hot in Prague. I'm gonna cook today something cold food like gazpacho. No, gazpacho, this is a Spanish soup originally from tomatoes, I believe. But today I'm going to cook something different, cucumber gazpacho. It's gonna be from cucumbers and avocado. Let's get started. We are going to need for this soup is cucumber, avocado. You can also add some fresh basil and the juice of lime or the lemon. So I have the lemon. And a bit of water, salt, pepper. Okay, let's get started. We will need the blender. I have the big ones, so we'll see how it will work. That's all the time the moment of truth for me, how good avocado I chose. So let's see. It's very good. Okay, so and now we take the avocado right here. And another half as well, right here. Okay. So lemon juice. That's why I hate lemons, because you know you have to catch the seeds all the time, or you need to get this some special thing for squeezing the juice out of the lemon. So okay, I will have some seeds there. It's okay with me. Okay, and we add here 500 milliliters of water, half a liter, and blend it. Okay, so I blended it. Now we are adding salt and pepper to taste and serve it. So I added salt, pepper, mixing it properly. Yum yum, yum yum.
What is this green swamp here?
This is cucumber gazpacho.
Is there any meat?
No, there is no any meat.
I'm sad.
Okay, so you'll see he'll love it. When it's 30 outside, I think it's a great food. Okay, so you can put on the top some pieces of cucumber or avocado, but I'm going to put on the top a little bit of this cheese. I don't know, so I have this cheese. I don't know what this cheese is. This is no feta or Gouda or I don't know. This is just fresh cheese, it's called. But I like it. It's sold in the shop near our house, and it tastes good. So, okay, I will add small pieces to this. And yeah, like this, a bit more. And if you have fresh basil, then you can also add on the top the basil. Okay, so here it is, cucumber gazpacho. Bon appetit. Here you have your plate.
Okay, let me try this. But it's cold. Can you put it in the microwave?